This is a continuation of a hearing from this morning. As I understand, what we've agreed to is that the defendant will agree to the stipulation that the only comparators that, so one of the reasons that the defendant claims the plaintiff was fired was because she did not process, I guess, as many of these, what are the CMEs? Is that what they are?
PCEs, Your Honor.
PCEs. And when they made that determination, they were comparing her to other risk management people, I guess, within the supervisors that were reporting to the same supervisor. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And so the parties have stipulated that that will be the only information that will be presented at trial, and the only argument made at trial, and that will be the position of the defendant. And they're not going to try to compare with other people. And given that stipulation, the plaintiff has agreed to limit the request for PCEs to just those other risk management people who are reporting to this particular supervisor. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything else today?
No, Your
No,
Honor.
sir.
You guys have a great day. Be safe, and we'll see you soon, okay?
Thank you. You
Judge.
too.
And, oh, get me an order, Ms. Masterson.
Okay, I will.
Okay, so our next hearing, Mr. Grading, are you here for the next hearing? For the pretrial?
He's muted.
Your Honor, we're here for that Ledesma case. Is that the one that you have next?
Yes, I think it's set for trial tomorrow.
Yes,
So
Your Honor.
that's,
I'm
so-
the guardian ad litem on the case, and I was appointed in July for one of the minors, but then I was appointed last month for another one of the minors. And to be honest with you, I did not know about this trial setting until we got the notice for the pretrial.
Okay.
So I'm not quite ready.
Okay.
I apologize for that. I probably
worries.
would have been ready if I'd have known about the trial setting, but I think I can be ready in about a week. I'm waiting on some information from Mr. Allen's client, and I just asked for the information last week, so it's not his fault I don't have it. So
Is
we
this
can
the
be ready
last,
quickly.
is this the last plaintiff that's left, or are there other parties that haven't settled, Mr.
I think
East?
everyone is settled.
Your
Is
Honor,
that right, Mr. Tucker?
I'm Steve East. I'm with Mr. Tucker's office, and we represent Diana Villegas in this matter. It's just a minor prove up, Your Honor, where all we need to do is be set out for time in order to complete that.
But
He's
is
asking-
this the last party, or are there other parties that still need to be settle or go to trial?
This will be the last two parties, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that's what I was trying to get at. Okay. The last two parties, is there two minors that Mr. Grading's working with, or
There are two, Judge.
two
It's,
more, I guess?
There's
Emily Ledesma and Diana Villegas.
And then you've already proved up.
Those are the only two minors.
Oh, I thought you already proved up, Mr. Grading. Was there?
No, Your Honor, I got appointed, and then apparently before we proved up the first appointment, another settlement occurred, and they did an amended motion to have me appointed for the other minor too. So we need to prove both of them up. But I think the answer to your question initially was, you want to know if the whole case is over with. And I think,
Once the
Mr.
prove up is
correct me
done.
if I'm wrong, all the adult clients or all the adult injured people in this incident have already settled. Is that true? So
That's my
we're just
understanding
waiting-
of it, yeah.
Okay.
That's my understanding.
Okay. So yes, we just need to prove up these two minors. And that gets back to what I said earlier, which is I just need a little more time.
We could reset this for trial, or we could put this on a DWAP. How much time do you need, Mr. Grading?
Well, Your Honor, Mr. Allen, I'm waiting on him. I need to talk with him after he's talked with his adjuster. There's a couple of questions I had before I can say whether I can approve this or not,
Okay,
or recommend approval by you. And so I'm waiting on that. I only asked Mr. Allen for that information, though, I want to say last Thursday, so it's not his fault that we don't have any information yet. I just did not know about this.
No worries.
Well, Your
you
Honor,
want-
if you would, just put it on your DWAP docket, so we're not taking up space on your.
Trial docket. Why don't we, Rhonda, go ahead and reset this on the DWAP docket for 60 days. And do you want me to give you a date for the prove up? Do you guys have your calendars, or
Yeah, I can do that.
would December 14th, do you think that'll be enough time, Mr.
Mr.
Green?
Allen, don't you think that'll be enough time?
I do.
Okay.
And are these two folks that are on the call, are they the clients?
Mr.
yes,
Allen
they
is
are.
the
You're-
attorney for the defendant, who I need him to talk to the adjuster for me and get some information for me.
But there's two people there from the Tucker office. Are those the clients?
Oh,
That's correct, Your Honor. We weren't sure what was going to happen today, so.
Okay. So I just want them to, I want them to be able to comment on if does that date work? December 14th, does that work for you, Mr. Allen?
It does, Your Honor.
Mr. Greeny?
yes, sir.
The 14th, is that what
The
you're saying?
14th?
All right. Mr. Ledesma, ¿tú comprende inglés?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. La fecha de diciembre 14, bueno?
Mhm.
Okay. Let's see.
Ya está bien.
We'll do it then. Oh, you got me.
So both of them can make it that day?
Yes.
I couldn't hear her. What did she
I
say?
didn't hear somebody talking.
Was that okay with you, ma'am?
Señor Ledesma,
Yeah, yes,
la
okay.
fecha la fecha del el 14 de diciembre está buen día.
For
Para-
both of them?
Oh,
¿Está bien?
for la corte.
Sí, está bien. Sí, está
Okay.
bien.
Is she still in school?
Both the girls are in school. Do you want them
What-
there? One is 17 and one is
13.
13.
The 17-year-old, I kind of would like to have her there if possible, but what time does she get out of school?
I think they're online school anyway, Your Honor.
Yeah, there's the other.
Yeah.
Oh, there she is. Okay. What time do you get out of school?
At 4
I'm sorry, say it again.
p.m. 4
4
p.m.
p.m. Okay.
Yes.
Do we want to do the prove up at like 4:30 or something?
That'd be perfect. Your Honor.
Okay.
Does that work for Mr. Allen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so Judge Hoffman, we're on the 14th at 4:30.
Yeah, so we're going to put you on a 60-day DWAP. The prove up is set for December 14th at 4:30.
Okay.
You understand that, Deanna? We're going to do a hearing at 4:30. Okay? So we'll do the same thing. We'll be on Zoom like this, okay?
All right, thank you. Anything else we need to chat about today?
No,
Your
thank you.
Honor.
Okay, and then we're going to move this trial setting, so you guys do not need to come in tomorrow.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you guys have a good day. Be safe.
Bye-bye.
You're excused.
I'm leaving the meeting.
Next one's at 2.
So guys, so Julian, the plan
We're on
is
YouTube.